Right, San Antonio Riverwalk. Pictures and videos do not give this justice. There's so much to look at and see here. A lot of nice architecture mixed in with a lot of trees and nature. It's Halloween night, and I'm surprised it's this quiet. Although this is usually part of the Riverwalk that's not as busy compared to like the main city. But yeah, look at that nice tree right there. I love all the varieties of trees and plants along the pathway. So plenty to look at when you're here. If you've never been here before, I highly recommend it.